Still in the offensive zone for a split second. Ovechkin's away. Ovechkin inside on Linder. Ovechkin scores! A brilliant individual effort.
And then holding on to it. Centered in the slot. Green. Oh, it's blocked. What a job by Hennigan. Rolling around. They score! Alexander Semin. Also the division crown in sight. Ovechkin scores! 63 is time for overtime. The most goals scored ever by a left winger. And NHL.
Early morning, the sun comes out. Last night was shaking and pretty loud. My kid is buried, it's precious like skin. So what is wrong with another sin? The bitch is hungry, she needs to tell. So give her inches and feed her well. Is it come you? Places to go. I've got to leave it. Time for the show.
There's an opportunity. What an opportunity. Freddie Meyer with a great play supporting the win.
My body's burning, it starts to shout. Desire's jumping, it breaks out loud. Lust is in cages, his storm breaks loose. Just have to make it. We sound like Jews. The night is calling, we have to stop. The prophet's hungry, he wants this show.
Pretty good about how they've held him under control this year.
Ready to win.
He's got the puck here and shooting, he scores!